this is going to sound really insensitive. I don't live in Africa. So the thing that really irks me are ticks and the deer, and they're bringing them into my world.
I feel that. I am participating right now in a clinical trial for a Lyme disease vaccine.
No.
Yeah, I actually just
I
spent
want
this past Monday, at Johns Hopkins University getting like enrolled into the study and getting the shot and everything. And I had to fill out a symptom
Wow.
diary. There's swag. It's pretty cool.
Oh my gosh. I'm so jealous. We'll get into why, but I live in Tick Haven right now. And I heard that there used to be a Lyme vaccine, and then actually it they got sued and they decided it wasn't worth it from a profit perspective, even though the vaccine actually worked and had pretty good efficacy and fairly low side effects. So it was
That
really
is true.
a
Yeah.
business problem as opposed to a science
I
problem.
mean, it was a business problem.
Okay.
So the issue is actually there is still a disease vaccine for your dog.
Mm-hmm.
So you can get your dog vaccinated for Lyme, which is good.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Um, but yes, there was one. It was developed in the late 90s for Lyme disease in humans. It worked. It worked decently well. Unfortunately, that was also the time at which they started the vaccine side effects reporting system.
There we go.
And people started, yes. And
Yeah.
don't get me wrong, there were some side effects. Like, there are a multitude of humans in the world. The multitude of humans has the multitude of immune systems. Like, somebody is going to react badly to something at some time. Like, there
Right.
are literally people in this world who are allergic to corn. I'm just saying.
Right. Yeah.
But so there were some, and the media got hold of it, and anti-vax advocates got hold of it. They just went to town, and lawsuits
Yeah.
happened. The whole thing got expensive. Demand dropped like a rock.
Mm.
So it wasn't just a like profit margins are bad because of lawsuits. It was there is no
Right.
demand because everyone is
No
absolutely
demand.
sure it's going to give you like Lyme disease or something, which it didn't, to
Wow.
be clear.
Right.
So I would say it's not so much a problem of business as it is a problem of misinformation.
Yeah.
The Lyme
Well,
disease
and
vaccine fell prey to misinformation. And I am pretty sure that this current one, if it makes it through FDA approval,
mhm.
something similar might happen.